Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain database experiment number 7. So here we are going to implement PLSQL programming using triggers and cursors. So first query is create a simple trigger that does not allow insert, update, delete operations on the supply table. So this is the query, create trigger and trigger name. Before we have to set before the event, before the operation insert on a supplier 1. For each row declare, we have to declare the value var 1 number and begin if new SID is equal to S1 and new name is equal to AAA, then DBS output line this cannot be inserted, roll back, and this will be not inserted, and if and end, and create trigger T2 before delete on supplier 1. For each row declare var 1 number 4. Begin if new SID is equal to S1 and new SNAME is equal to A, then DBMS output line this cannot be inserted, and we should roll back and we should end the if condition and end the program. And again create a trigger T3 before update on supplier. For each row declare var 1 number 4. Begin if new SID is equal to S1 and new SNAME is equal to AAA, then DBMS output cannot be inserted, roll back and independent. So this is the output for the first query. And coming to the next question, create a trigger to ensure that does not contain duplicate. Create a trigger T4 after insert on supplier 1. For each row declare var 1 number 4. Begin if exists select star from table 1, table supplier 1. Inner join inserted I on I SID and supplier on SID and state and supplier state. So this will begin and roll back. Raise error duplicate data. If there is any duplicate data it find means then it will roll back to the and end if and end. So this is the output for the query. Third question, create a trigger that raises an user-defined error message and does not allow updating the order table. So we should create a trigger error message before update on supplier for each row. Declare var 1 number. Begin if new order is less than 110, then declare dummy int select error you cannot update into dummy from order 1 where order ID is equal to new ID, and if and end. This is the output for the query. Coming to the fourth query, write a PLSQL script to display the supply details whose PID is greater than 3. So we are going to create a procedure P1 SCS 261. We are going to default this number and as V count number. Begin select count star. It will take the count of the numbers into V count from the supplier 1 where PID is greater than 3. If CS261 is null, then DBMS output lines and it will show the PID in null, and if it is not, it will show the name, gender, DBMS line date and PID. Else select star, it will show the count of the supplier ID whose where PID is greater than 3, and the output is this. And come to the next question, write a PLSQL script to display the product names whose order quantity is greater than 10. So create procedure P2 261 and as count we are creating this temporary V1 count number to store the count. So select count star into V1 count from order quantity where order quantity is greater than 10. If P1 CS is null, then DBS output line product ready and product ready. Else count star into V1 count from order quantity where order quantity is greater than 10. And this is the output for the query. And coming to sixth query, write a trigger to update the order table whenever the customer ID is updated in the customer table. Create trigger T1 CS261. After update on customer 1 for each row, we are creating a trigger which will update each row. For that we are using for each row. And begin if new customer ID is equal to old customer ID, then update set customer ID is equal to new customer ID where order ID is equal to new ID, and if and this is the output for the query. And the last query is write a PL/SQL block to display the implicit cursor to given the table. So total rows number 2, begin update order quantity, set order quantity is equal to order quantity plus 5. And if SQL not found, then DB someone no order selected, else then total rows is equal to SQL percentage row count, DB sum put total rows and order selected, and declare and begin update product one, set product ID is equal to product plus 5. If SQL not found, DB sum put no products are selected, else if products are selected, and this is the output for the query. And 8th query is declare explicit cursor for any 2 given table, and declare customer ID type, customer name and name type, and cursor C and cursor type, and select customer ID columns, and from customer table begin open C customer loop and fetch the customer ID from the following columns, and exit when C customer is not found. And this is the output for the query. So this is the DBMS 7th experiment. Thank you.